small example. So first one, convert 30 degrees into radian measurement. Radian measurement. I already explained what is the formula. Here they are asking degree to radian, right? What I have to do? I have to take degree. This is the formula. I have to take degree and multiply that degree with pi by 180. Then I will get radian. Let's see, will come or not. What they gave the degree? They gave the degree is 30 into, I have to multiply it with pi by 180. Okay. Now cancel this. Pi cancel, 0 cancel. 3 6 are, and that implies pi by 6 radians. So therefore, we can conclude that 30 degrees is equals to pi by 6 radians. This is most important. You have to write it like this, otherwise these terms will come in your class, because you have to write 30 degrees into radians. You have to write radians into 30 degrees like that. Okay, hope you understand this problem, right? Now take some homework. What are those homework? Say, convert degree to radian from the following. So you have to write like this, okay? 30 degrees is equal to something pi by something radians. First one, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, last one 360 degrees, 420 degrees, and last one 540 degrees. So this is your homework. Please solve it, and we will discuss these some questions in our next class. Okay, hope you understand. I think please don't forget, please study what explained in the class. Please revise yourself and don't forget to solve the questions and practice these problems. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you very much. Thank you.